Hello, welcome people. Today we're gonna see the trade breakdown which I took today. I just took what somewhat called a 3 or 4 days, four trade in a day, like which is one in London and another three in New York, I guess. So let me quickly show the breakdown of the trade which I took today. Okay, wait, it's the 18 open, right? This is a fucking 18 open, and at the time when I came to the market and I'm seeing market, I just literally fucked up with my bias. Why the Saints, like, see how the daily candle looks like. The past day, it's a fully bullish close. In the weekly, I don't have any fucking idea. The daily, it's a full bullish close. YM as well as you guys can see. YM, it's a kind of typical reversal candle, right? Open low, high, close. It's a type of a fucking reversal candle, I guess. The time when I used to trade, and somewhat I guess these are of failure swings are taken in my mind as well in ES and in NQ2. These are all failure swings, but I don't give a fuck about that because see guys, literally notice one thing. This is a candle which is called 18 a.m. like sorry 18 p.m. like 6 p.m. candle in a YM. See, in YM, it gives a SMT with a 20-second candle. See, it doesn't took out the lows, and in NQ it took out the lows. Okay, and straightly I went to a 30 minute. See here, leave about the fucking 22 candle. We are in the current range of 2 a.m. candle, and my fucking targets towards this trade is like a daily open, like towards 18 p.m. open. I got a strength switch. A 50 minute, I guess. See here, this is a 2 a.m. open and 2:30 in a 15 minute we got a bullish close, and in a 2:30 in a YM we got a bearish close, right here. See, this is a fucking strange. Why I'm meaning that this is strange which in the sense we got a fairly swing SMT in a lows at this 4 hour in YM. Basically, this is strengthen like stronger asset, right? And YM is like Nasdaq is a weaker asset, and I got a strength which like it gets a bullish close in a Nasdaq, and it gets a bearish close in a YM as well. So I guess that this asset is giving a strength switch to changing towards the stronger asset as a Nasdaq, and I went a fucking 3 minute to enter my trades up there. See here, this is a 45 candle and new 50 minute candle opens. This is a new 50 minute candle opens, and this is our assist. I entered like here, like I didn't enter right here as well. And while I'm in the markets at this time with this assist, if I would have been entered right here with the next candle, my stop should probably this 45th candle lows, and my target is a fucking highs. It's fucking decent to R. And top of that, see, this is a point of reversal. Okay, let me give you a simple explanation about the gap selection and the range selection. This is a fucking like this is a fucking reversal, and I would have used my premium discount from these lows to this fucking highs as my drawn liquidity. And what the fucking current higher time frame candle you are trading in? See here, you are inside the candle of a 2 a.m., right? This is a 2 a.m. candle, and you want to make sure you are in a discount of that fucking current higher time frame candle. Okay, like what I just mean. This is a 2 a.m. candle starts, and you are with the near to the withdrawal, and you are premium in the range of the from the point of reversal towards your draw, and you must fucking use your invalidations towards this discount. You only place the trades when you are in the fucking discount of the current higher time frame candle. See here, if I'm not wrong, this is your seized right here. Okay, and you must have your stops at these discount. This is a discount, right? Let me give you a clear explanation to delete this current higher time frame dealing range. Just have a current, sorry, that's a whole dealing range. This is a current time frame dealing range, and you just only have your stops at these discount lows and towards the size. Okay, it is a decent fucking trade. And and the trade which I took in the new york session is basically when I came to the market, I just realized, like, we'll go to the this chat as well, because yeah, we discuss it like that. This is picture, right? In the 6 a.m. candle, I don't have any fucking bias to trade higher or lower. I once waited for the new 10 a.m. candle to be opened. See this candle to be opened. What's a fucking 10 a.m.? It's taking 10 a.m. Okay. I waited this candle till open. Okay. Let me look out this range as well for the clear explanation. Yeah, I got a fucking PSP at highs as well as a reversal candle now. I am, and it's a bullish close now. Nasdaq. So I got a bit confused to trade up to these lows as well. I changed my bias sometimes while I'm framing my trades towards bullishness, and here I ended up with, see here, we got a fucking two-stage close. This is stage one with the 18 to 6 a.m. and 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in YM, and here it's 18 a.m. It took 22 a.m. and we didn't took with the 6 a.m. See, sorry, this is a trade. Yeah, this is a two stage. To say a close right here, 18 with 22, 22 with a 6, 18 with 22, 22 with a 6. Okay. Now, this is a weaker asset, right? This is a fucking weaker asset. If I want to trade this as a higher, I just wanted to see strengths which are close to be trade higher. Am I right? Okay. What did I do with the fucking first trade? What did I do? I just entered randomly. See here, like, I got this SMT with the soup, and I didn't get this SMT in a Nasdaq at the time of I'm trading, and I ended up with the taking loss right here somewhat. Yeah, seriously, this is what at 10 a.m. right? 44, 48, 45, I guess. Yeah. See here, I what is this? Yeah, this is a 45 candle. Took 10 a.m. directly at lows, and 45th candle doesn't even took this lows. I thought this is a fucking SMT, and I ended up with this is okay. This is as well, and I kept my stop right here. I targeted somewhat those fucking highs. Wait, yeah, these highs with a decent 2.5 or somewhat. Okay, I took this loss. Yeah, I am genuine. I just wanted to be transparent in front of you guys, and I'm the I yeah, and I ended up with taking this trade as a loss. Once I took this loss, see, I took another loss. How? Wait, let me explain you guys. See here, These are 10 a.m., right? At some point in time, I this 10 a.m. is took in Nasdaq. Okay, I'll give explanation clear. See, this took at 10 a.m. highs, like 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. highs. In YM doesn't took the 10 a.m. highs. See, this is a 6 a.m. high, right? And we waiting for somewhat. It doesn't took the 10 a.m. highs, right? Once I saw this as a SMT in a 4 hour, I went to 15 minutes to confirm that. See here, it doesn't even took this highs. See, sorry, it took this highs and it gives a fucking strength switch. I guess this has a strength switch. No, I am as well. The 15 minutes. See, right here. 6 a.m. doesn't even took 10 a.m. highs and 10 a.m. took this highs. Okay, I went up to took this trade as a shot. I placed my shot right here. I guess my stops at these highs. I targeted these lows. This is a pattern fucking bullshit, right? I don't know why did I ended up with taking shots, but somewhat the failures are at lows. But I don't know. Yeah, happened. It's happened, right? It's happened. Literally, it's happened. And once I saw these asset gives us a fucking stance which at lows with the wham, like see 10 a.m. soup with the 10:15 and didn't soup with the 10:30. 10 a.m. that isn't even soup with the 10:15 and doesn't even soup with the 10:30. Okay, those are fucking right. It closed as a fucking bullish. It closed as a fucking bearish. Okay, once it's closed as a bullish, I went to the 10:30 candle. I went with the 10:30 candle. Where is that fucking 10:30? This is a 10:30, right? Once this candle is printing right here, I know this is will work. This will work. Okay, I know. Once this candle is getting printed, I ended up just randomly here, and my stops are right here, somewhat. Yeah, here because I got this protected low, right? I got this product low. This is a I know this is a fucking 10 a.m. low, and I ended up like somewhat right here. I targeted these highs as well for a fucking 2 hour. Yeah, it gives me a hit. It gives me a hit, and I do this just a strength switch with a PSP as a 15 minutes. Nothing shit fancy. See here, 10 a.m. doesn't even took this low 6 a.m. We got basically see it's a weaker asset, right? Whole thing it's a weaker asset because we got a soup at lows and it's still a weaker asset and it's still a stronger asset. See, it doesn't even give us as a soup. Once in a 15 minutes, I saw this the stronger asset gets weaker as a bearish 15 minute PSP close, and in a YM it uses a bullish close as a stronger. So I ended up with taking this trade as well. But what's my framework? Why did I end up with taking those trades as a L? See the fucking face of price. See here. Oh, it's sorry guys. See, expansion retracement. Some what called expansion retracement? Sorry, consolidation, retracement, expansion, retracement. Tried to expand, trace. Maybe this is a consolidation and again expansion. Overall, it's a bullish. Why did I end up with taking as lows while shorting the market? I don't know. It's pretty the thing. Let's wait for our 6 a.m. to close and just trade at 10 a.m. also trade, and it's a fucking good model. In 20 trading days, you just get the 10 fucking trades in 10 a.m. for personally. I'm saying this as personal, okay? Just try with the taking 10 a.m. 4-hour candle daily with the consistent with your own setup. It just ended up with a profitable. Don't skip my words. This is a thing I've been trying for long days, and sometimes I used to take a trade in a 9:30 move so that my like I got a time to take the trade. Seriously, guys, I want a candle to hit my TP within 10 seconds or 20 seconds, like it's a news moment, I guess. But that's that's a wrong thing, you know. Seriously, it's a bad thing while you are taking a trade with a 2 or 3 candle to hit your TP. What does that mean? Just frame your trades with your DOL and just ended up taking trades with a 5 minutes or a 3 minutes with the lawyer as well. Yeah, this is a fucking good model. Yeah, I ever seen. But I'm the person who are giving advice to you guys, but literally I used to take up and ended up with the losing streak in 9:30 open sometimes. Not sometimes, major times I guess. Yeah, I used to I even going to try this as well to take trades. Yeah, in R2 it's a good fucking framework. It's decent 1 hour somewhat, but it's not a decent hour range. Simply guys, this is a trade which I went to today. One 2 TP, one break even. Yeah, I didn't tell you this, right? Once I took this trade here, once I took this trade here, my SL was right here, right? Once it reaches this height, I went my stops to break even, and it's my break even. One, see, this is a trade which I took in the afternoon. This is the TP 2 hour and break even, and one loss as well. 1 hour, 2 hour minus 1 hour, one, and in YM I just took this trade. It's a 2 hour plus three, and in Nasdaq as well I took this, but yeah, somewhat plus two. 5 hour in the day I took this trades as well. I prefer to show you the screenshots as well. Yeah, literally I use it to. Yes, this is a trade which I took the YM. I stops at these lows in a 5 minute. I didn't take this trade in a 5 minute, but yeah, I took this in a 3 minute. And this is a dealing range which I want to explain you guys. This is a point of reversal, right? With a 4 hour SMT, it's a point of reversal to the draw. With the point of reversal to the draw, it's a whole dealing range, and another one dealing range, it should be your current trading current high time from candle, which is basically a 10 a.m 4 hour. And I just mod up with this right here. Sorry, it's not a thing right here, and towards the top. What's the thing in between and beyond the things is, like, you guys want to place your fucking stop loss in discount of this range. See, whenever you are placing your stop loss with this whole range discount and plus the current higher time frame candles discount. Sometimes you can place this only with your current high time frame candles discount, but make sure you are placing this as in your current high time frame candles discount range. See, my stop loss is right here in a current higher time frame candle range discount towards the drawn liquidity. Okay, yeah, this is I took, and this is nearly to my TP, the same trade, which is around 1,700 bucks somewhat. Yeah, literally, those are things I just wanted to explain you guys. I'll see you in some other next video. Until then, signing off. Sorry.